alternative to the school-based assessment, which we normally call paper 3, that January students have to do. We have to open up Microsoft Word. My problem here is that if they're asking you to do a mail merge, they can't ask you to do it in Google Docs. Google Docs doesn't have a straightforward mail merge feature. Alright, so let me start typing up this guy here. To do center, you click Control and E, or you press the little center button on top there, click center. Times New Roman, so May 18. And then it seems like there are 2 spaces, so I will put title here, first name. Okay, so all these things are merge fields, so I could just leave the space for them, but I'll put the word title in the meantime, just to hold the space. Last name. Don't worry too much about the spelling errors, fix them at the end, because you'll spend too much time going back and fixing. Sincerely. Oh, look, nice little font and thing. Oh my goodness. All right, Peter King. Obviously, this is a footer, and that the Cars Inc. is in a header, so I'll take the Cars Inc. from here. I don't really want that to be there, so I'll cut that from there. And inside the header, I will put in the header in the middle, I'll put the Cars Inc. And inside the footer, I'll put in the words making a world of a difference. So I'll put in the header and the footer, right? So to put in the header and the footer, you go to insert, and then you go to header or footer. Right, so we have all the things that we have inside. Now I have to change this Cars Inc. to whatever font that is. Alright, I just changing it to Arial Black just to show that, alright, cool, it's matching, right? Peter King. Alright, Peter King is definitely some kind of cursive font. So I'll go to the font and then I'll choose some one of them cursive fonts. So I'll create a folder named fake paper 3. And naming it as what? Cars 1. Alright, now it's very important that you name the thing whatever they say to name it. Insert an appropriate logo into the header and add one other feature to the letter. So to insert a logo, you're going into the header section, right? So to get into the header quickly, shortcut, just double click at the top of the page and you'll get into the header. Now I'm going to insert an appropriate logo, so I'll click insert pictures. Alright, so I put in an appropriate logo. Alright, I think I'll put in a table. Why I put in a table? Because usually any SBA is how to put in a table for something. Alright, so now I have to save this as Cars 2. Populate the letter by including merge fields for 10 customers. 10 customers? So there we go. We go and click, we go into the mailings tab, and then you click select recipients, and you go and click type a new list. And now you have to type a new list, but the things that you're typing must match the criteria that I have there. Alright, finally I have all the names in. So when you click OK, it's going to ask you to save it one time. So the first thing you're going to save it will be, I'll put this as CSEC P3. Alright, now I have to merge them. So I'm going to click insert merge field, and wherever I have these things here, I'm going to just replace them. So I'm going to highlight here where I want the title to be, and then I'm going to click insert merge field and I'm going to choose title, and now you'll see it will change to two brackets. Alright, so next thing that we want to do is change the first name. So you'll highlight the actual first name, the word that you have, because these things are put as placeholders, right? So because they are placeholders, I can just highlight them and swap them out with the correct merge field. What I'm basically doing is matching the field to the database I just created there. Save as Cars 3. Merge the documents, save as Cars 4. So merging the documents now will just be clicking preview results, and now you could see if I click the little blue arrows here, it will go through everybody. So you will see clearly that Mr. SpongeBob, at annoying person from the Krusty Krab and a pineapple under the sea, is owing me $5,000. So I'll go and click finish merge, and I go click edit individual documents, and I'll say all, and then it will give me a new document like this that will have everybody's letters. Alright, so now according to my thing, I have to save it as Cars 4, and now I have to protect the document. In order to protect the document, I have to go to review, click restrict editing. When I click restrict editing, and then I'll click limit formatting, blah, 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 edit restrictions, yada, 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 and then click start enforcing protection. When I click start enforcing protection, they will give me a password. Okay, and now I have to save this document as, save as Cars Inc.